Do you like lucia buns and you are wondering how to go about it? If you're one of them, then this video is for you. I will be presenting how I prepare these nice looking lucia buns that you are seeing on the video. So what I did, in a bowl I warmed 200 grams of fat or butter, and I just added half a liter of fresh milk, and this is me stirring everything together. So the fat was a little bit warm and the milk was room temperature. I just added some cardamom powder, just a tablespoon, and next some turmeric powder, a tablespoon too, and I added 300 grams of sugar, and this is me mixing everything together. So next I just added some fresh yeast, just like 50 grams, and I have to mix them together. Remember, it should be in warm or room temperature so that the fat will dissolve well. I just added a pinch of salt. The salt is optional. And now I'm adding my flour. I will be using 1.5 liter of flour in this mixture. So I add in portions. I mix and I add to regulate and watch the consistency as it changes. So this is me. You see, it has started being hardened. I have to mix until it becomes into a hardened fine paste. This is me. I am done mixing my mixture, and I have to cover it in a cold place. You see, it's just half in the container, and after 3 hours it will change. This is it. After 3 hours, it's almost half of my container is full. It means the mixture was nice, everything was perfect, the yeast did its job, and my mixture is ready for the next process. And now I have set on my oven on 225 degree, and this is the next process, molding it. The rolling is easy if the mixture was well mixed and all the ingredients were in place. It will not stick, it will just roll thoroughly like what you see. And then I'm rolling in opposite direction in an S form. You see how nice it is, and I have to decorate it with some dried grapes. This is just for decoration, but it's also sweet because these dried grapes, they are sweet, they have sugar in it. I will continue the process until I am done arranging my lucia buns before taking it to the oven. And it will not be in the oven for long, but before then I have to mix an egg in a container and then apply it in all the finished rolled lucia buns. You see how nice it is? This is how I am applying my mixed egg. I mix the egg with the egg yolk together and apply them. This will give it a bright color. So after 8 to 10 minutes in the oven, this is the result. It came out so well. The aroma has started coming. It just feels like eating everything together. So guys, try this delicious simple method of preparing lucia buns at home and you will really enjoy it.